So the first role is the leverager. So this is kind of like the first one you think of, and that's the one I described before. This is someone who wants to leverage up. So actually, we had someone in the community already say their plan was to leverage up so they could benefit from USDX yield. So we can put that in this context. So the leverager locks S-Flare to mint size flare. They sell the size flare and use that capital for other opportunities. So in this example, this community member, can't remember their name, and sorry if I'm giving away your alpha to that person, but you need to put it in the public chat. Their plan is to go and use that capital to buy CUSDX and get yield. And then they can collect the yield. And then at some point in the future, when size flare is either cheaper or their profit outweighs the slight loss they might make on size flare, they can buy it back. They get back their original S flare. And if you're long on flare, if you think flare is going to be way up in the future, then this seems pretty obvious. You get back collateral that's now worth more, plus you've been earning yield all that time on the USDX. So you've just successfully leveraged, and you've done more than you could have done. Well, you didn't have to sell your S flare. You got to keep onto your S flare back and do something else with the leverage. So that's
kind of sweet.
That's kind of sweet. Yeah, and there's loads of things you can do. I mean, that getting yield is one, but it's leverage, so people do all kinds of stuff